What's up, bro? I'm just pulling up, man. You ready?
Yeah, man, I'm ready. Let me go get some shoes and I'll be right down. Oh, it's gonna be fire with the fit today. Let's go to Chicago's. Bruh, I am not trying to lace these Jordan Brand. You playing me?
A few moments later.
Finally. Another one.
Later.
Yeah.
Get 'em all, I'm on one. Get 'em all, I'm on one. Get 'em all, I said I'm on one.
DJ Khaled. Whoa, whoa.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Sneaker Life, back with another video. Had to hit y'all with some old school vibes. One of the most relatable things that happens to me on pretty much a lot, it just happens a lot, man. Usually my friends come over, somebody's like, yo man, you trying to go eat? And you know me, I'm trying to grab some sneakers. I got a lot of Jordan 1s, and a lot of the time I'm like, wow, these Jordans would go fire with this fit, you know, like super fire. And I'm like, bro, I don't have time to lace this. It drives me nuts. I'm not really tripping because it's cool that Jordan Brand does that. And I know people like to lace their shoes, this, that, and all these different ways. But I'm here to show you guys personally how I lace my shoes. It's very, very simple. You know, really, this was a video that was highly requested a long time ago. I just never got around to it. But now that really Jordan has been dropping a lot of ones, there's gonna be a lot of Jordan 1s that need to be laced. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I lace my pair specifically and show you the different ways of styling it. Really, there's only one style that I like to stick to, and I just personally think it looks good. But you know, everybody has their own thing that they like. So let's just get right into it. All right, man, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Air Jordan 1 Shadow. If you haven't already seen the video, make sure to check it out. But first and foremost, you wanna make sure your laces are the same length at the bottom, because if they're not, you're gonna have one lace that is longer than the other, and that is just a major L that you do not wanna deal with, man. Trust me on that. What I do actually is put everything inward. I start with the inside of the shoe, and then I alternate, all inward. Laces are going inward. Make sure you pay attention to that, inward. You can do it another way, but this is just how I do it. Now we're making our way to the top. You guys can see I stop right here. Right after this next little hoop, little loop-de-whoop, swoop, swoop, and pull, I stop there. I don't go any higher. I'm not really into lacing my J's way up high, and I'm not into lacing my J's tight. I also didn't include that. Make sure you make the shoe a little loose, man. You don't need them too tight. You ain't gonna go run basketball. This ain't no one-on-one, bro. Let your feet breathe, relax. So this is what the final product looks like. This is not exactly how I lace them. I'm just showing you this is an alternative. You can lace them up. I wouldn't go any higher than this, but you can. I'll show you the different examples, but let's get into how I do it specifically. Here's a deleted scene of what was in the beginning. You can see this is where I always lace my J's, right there. With the higher lace up. Let's just check it out. This is all B-roll. This is a voiceover. I gotta mess around a little bit. I don't really like to tie them like this. Maybe when I was in high school I did, because I didn't really know what I was doing, in my opinion. But it's just too tight, bro. Like, what? Why are you wearing them like this? It looks weird. No, just a no-go. I mean, you can still see the Nike Air, but I really don't rock with this style too much. It just looks ugly. Like, people lace them like this though. It's all good. Do you? Like I said, this video is just to show you different ways of lacing them. This is my favorite way to lace them, period, right here. Because you can just slip them on and off. I don't know about you guys, but I like being on the move and just, you lace them one time and you never have to lace them again. That's how all my other Jordan 1s are. Now, this is what I probably did when I was in college. Again, still feeling like I didn't know what I was doing. I would lace them all the way to the top and let them dangle. Personally, don't do this. I think I'm just showing you guys how not to lace your Jordans. Just lace them like I have on my left foot. I think that looks the best personally, but that's just me. You got the tongue flopping, you got the Nike Air, you can see it. It just doesn't look stupid, and other ways do. So this video is how you lace your J's, man. Lace them like I do on the left. It looks the cleanest, in my opinion. Let me know what you think down below. This is your boy Sneaker Life. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you in the next one. Run it.
Hands in the air now. Clown around when I hang around with the underground. Girls used to frown, say I'm down when I come around. Gas me, and when they pass me, they used to diss me, harass me. But now they ask me if they can kiss me. Get some fame, people change, wanna live their life high. Same song.
Hey, yo, there's a player!
Scared the fuck out of me. I'm like, what the fuck? Dude, I was just like fading away.
Got him!